Hi everyone, my name's Anita Morton and I'm going to talk about hostess incentives. So I've been with Park Lane now. I started in October 2014 and so I'm going into my 5th year with Park Lane. And I've always offered hostess incentives. It's just something I love to do. I love to get creative with it. I love to do up really nice sets. And that's all I know what to do. I just realised our TV is going in the background there, but anyway, won't worry about that. I'm not used to doing lives either, so I'm very nervous. So yeah, just bear with me, and I've got some notes here. So I've always done hostess incentives, and I'm proud to say I've never run out of parties going into my 5th year now. So what I did when I first started was I simply did up your pretty little hostess packs like these. You can just put some chocolates in it, some tissue paper. I also have always put tags, done little tags like these, stickers that I just get from Vistaprint. Sorry, I've just swiped. I don't want to see the comments, sorry. I'll get sidetracked. So I also offer, to start with, when I first started, I just offered what we call our HRCs, or now Fast 50s. I actually don't prefer to use them. I prefer to use gift vouchers. Now, I didn't make this up. Someone far more talented than me made it up. I downloaded it months ago. I'd love to give credit to whoever it was. It's just on a Word document, so you can change the picture in it and you can change all your details and you can change the amount. So that's what I use instead. And we've got so many incentives going at the moment as far as your Fast 50s. You've got the $50 for 11, the 100 for 22, the 150 for 33, and if you were fortunate enough, you got the 250 for 44. Now, don't just give these away. What you can do is you can make the hostess work for them. So you might say, if you can get 5 outside orders, I'll give you an extra $100. If you get so many sales at your party, I'll give you an extra $150. If you get 10 people at your party, you could give them something. Also, for example, if you said to them, look, if you can bring someone that might be interested in the opportunity of Park Lane, I'll give you the 250 extra credit. So make the hostess work for it. It's up to you whether you pay for the gift certificate or HRC. I always have personally. That's just something I've always done. So when you're starting out, it's not very expensive. You can just use that. You can also just look around at Kmart and Target and all those sort of places and just get little gifts throughout the year that you can put away. I have a cupboard with all these sort of things in it that you can also pop into your gift pack. Then as you start to earn your jewellery from your Rich Rewards Club, I then started to pop in the little earrings. So for example, our Dottie earrings. 3 colours, 3 different packs, and you can just say to the ladies at a party, look, the first ladies that book a party with me get their choice of the colour. You can also, another inexpensive way if you're just starting, is to buy your pack of earrings, like the Lulu Posy earrings. We've got the gorgeous sparkle cards at the moment through their supplies. So I just split them up, put them on a card with a ribbon, and they can go into your little packs as well. This is actually what I give to my hostesses as a thank you after they've had their party. I will send these off to them with a nice handwritten card. Again, not expensive to do. I offer all my incentives at my parties, where I mainly get booking from. If I do fundraising events, I'll have the packs there, markets, and my VIP group. Now, you can also, what I then started doing was doing up my bubble set. Now, ladies actually love these. I think they love them more than getting the jewellery. So I'll get the different little bottle of bubbles. I get the glasses from I think I got these from Woolies just before Christmas. You can get them from Kmart, Target, Big W. I get a lot of mine from Big W because that's my closest sort of large outlet for these sort of things. Fill it with chocolates, and there you go. You've got a lovely little set that doesn't cost much at all. I leave them on the table at my party. If I've got the room, I'll do up 3 sets to try and get 3 bookings. But if there's no space, I'll just put 1 set there, and I just leave it sitting there till the end, when I'll mention it then. You can just have the other sets out in your car or somewhere else if you haven't got the space. So then I progressed to doing up other little packs. So you can do things like just before Christmas, I did candle holders. I often do candle holders. So I had that, I had my bottle of bubbles, and I had the chockies, Christmas chocolates. Notice they match? I'm very anal. I like to make it look as pretty as possible. And you've also got your silver little glass. So you can do up as many different packs as you want. I then also have one here sort of all in pink. So I've got the chockies in a glass, I've got the pink bubbles. Now, I think Kelly had these in the area leaders bags at Summit. And myself and Emily Reid love them. So Emily Reid actually sourced where to get these from. And I've actually had ladies want to buy them from me. So you can add that in. Again, another candle, pretty bag, and you're all set to go. Then when you want to start adding in jewellery, you've earned more from your Rich Rewards Club, or you've also got retired items. So don't forget that. We've got a new catalogue coming out. There'll be a lot of retired items. As well as my bubble set, I have a gift box, and I just have all jewellery in it. Now, I could do a jewellery tree, but I just try to limit what I take to parties to make it look as easy as possible. You want to wheel the stuff in, you don't want to make it look hard, and you don't want to have to take ages to set up. So I find this works for me. And I just open it up at the party and have my bubbles set there. Now, we're coming up to Valentine's Day. So I know we're doing party bookings for January, but Valentine's Day is the 14th of Feb. So you want to get your parties, to get your orders back, you want to have your parties in January anyway. So again, I've done a little bubble set, little heart. I think I got these at Big W. You can get them in gold too. I've got the sparkly glass. I've got the red chockies. And then I've just got a cherished bracelet. These are only $28. So you can get them for half price, or you can get them with your Rich Rewards Club. So I've just got that there, and that'll be one of the incentives I'll be offering. The other one that I did just before Christmas, and I'm still going to offer, is the Cypress bracelets. I've got about 3 or 4 of these sets ready to hand out to ladies in February. So I did happen to get these nice little glass ornaments, but I was just lucked out with that. Everywhere else I just saw the plastic ones, but at a local shop I got these gorgeous glass ones. And I've got the Cypress sets. I got most of them with as a $27 item, some with my Rich Rewards. So I've split them up. So I've got the 3 sets there in 3 different colours, with my gold sparkly glass and my bubbles and the chocolates. Now, these chocolates I picked up the other day, they're only $2 from Woolies because they're actually Christmas ones, but they're on sale. So for $2, and I checked the use-by date, it wasn't until March. So they're good to go for a while. So look for things out now at this time of year, chocolates, glasses, things like that are going to be on special. So that's what I'm offering now currently. Now, the other thing I'm going to do for the Booking Blitz is I'm going to set up all these sets, some of them, take a really lovely picture of them, and I'm going to message past hostesses. I get a lot of bookings from past hostesses and also people that may be interested. So I'll send through a pic and trying to bribe them with the pictures so they can pick which set they want. So at the moment, I don't use my HRCs at the actual party. I use my gift sets, and then when I'm speaking to the hostess later and we're going through a hostess pack, that's when I'll use the fast 50s. I'll say, well, if you can get me 5 outside orders, I'll also give you this. Or if you can get 10 ladies at your party, I can get you this as well. So I actually just basically use my gift sets at my parties. Sorry, I've got a really dodgy setup here. My laptop isn't working, so I've had to use the phone on a stand. So yeah, so make your HRCs work for you. Don't just give them away. I think that might be... Oh, the other thing is with my gift sets, if you've all seen how the dice game works, I often play that at my party, and I will incorporate the hostess incentives in with the dice game. So I think that might be about it. Just checking. Yep, I think that's it basically. So I hope this was useful. As I said, I love doing the sets. I just love spoiling my hostesses, and I think my hostesses know that. And I hope you have a great 2019 and get a lot of bookings. Okay, bye.